Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Comcast Xfinity Home Security Monitoring, full guide step by step clearly. Once on the website, locate the Home section in the main menu. Click on the Security option to explore available plans. Review the various security packages offered by Xfinity. Choose the plan that best suits your needs and budget. Click on the selected plan for more detailed information. On the Plan Details page, look for the Get Started button or similar option. Click on the Get Started button to initiate your subscription process. You may be prompted to sign in to your Xfinity account. If you do not have an account, there will be an option to create one. Follow the on-screen instructions to create a new account if necessary. Once signed in, provide your service address to determine availability. Review the terms and conditions for the security monitoring service. Confirm your plan selection and proceed to the checkout page. You may be asked to provide payment information at this stage. Enter your payment details and ensure everything is correct. After confirming your payment, review your order summary for accuracy. Finalize your subscription by clicking the Confirm button. You will receive a confirmation email detailing your new subscription. Next, schedule a professional installation if required for your chosen plan. Follow any additional prompts to set up your account preferences. After scheduling, you may also explore additional features in the Xfinity app. Download the Xfinity app from your device's App Store if you haven't already. Log into the app with your Xfinity account credentials. Customize your security settings and familiarize yourself with the app's features. Your Xfinity Home Security Monitoring subscription is now activated and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.